Welcome to the Remote Learning Committee. My name is Brian, and today we're going to be inviting families to take part in remote learning through Google Classroom. If you're new to Google Classroom, if you haven't already watched our videos setting up a Google Classroom and adding people to Google Classroom, we encourage you to watch those first. Understanding that remote learning is a collaboration between schools and families, Google Classroom enables teachers to attach a Guardian email to each student's account. Before we get started, this feature may be disabled by your district, so if you weren't able to see these features in Settings, we encourage you to contact your technology coordinator to enable it. Guardian Summaries enables parents to get a weekly email outlining their child's activity and also allows for parent-teacher communication within Google Classroom. The Remote Learning Committee highly encourages teachers to enable this feature and to encourage families to sign up. Once we've invited students into our class, we're going to post an announcement asking guardians to sign up for Guardian Summaries. You will need their email addresses to invite them. My district doesn't collect email addresses as part of the registration process, so I will need to ask families for their email addresses through Google Classroom. If you haven't seen our video on creating announcements, we encourage you to watch that. The Remote Learning Committee encourages the stream to be reserved for important announcements such as this one. So we're going to click on Share with Class, and we're going to let students know if their families aren't already signed up for Guardian Summaries. There will be an assignment in the Classwork tab asking for a parent or guardian email. This is an important announcement, so we're actually going to select all of our classes to send it to. And post. Before we make the assignment asking for guardian emails, it's worth noting that some families may already be signed up to receive them. If you set up your Google Classroom the way we described in our video, your classwork will automatically be added to those Guardian Summaries. To check if any families are already signed up, you can select the People tab at the top. Please note, for privacy, we're blocking all names and email addresses in this video. Students who have Invite Guardians next to their name will need to be asked for adults' email addresses. Any student who has a name next to theirs already has Guardian Summaries enabled. The first student in our class already has a Guardian email set up. Make sure you take the notes of those families with Guardian Summaries already enabled in your classroom. With that noted, we'll head to the Classwork tab and create a new assignment. We'll title it, Please Provide a Guardian Email. In the instructions, we're going to want to ask students to provide an email address for an adult in their home so you can invite them to see their progress. Ask them to type it in a private comment. If we remember, the first student already had a guardian attached to their account, and so they don't need to complete this assignment. We can deselect their name so they won't receive it. Then, click away from the dialog box. The Remote Learning Committee believes this should be an ungraded assignment. You can set that by clicking on the 100 and selecting Ungraded. We'll want to set a fairly quick due date. In this case, we're going to make it the Thursday of the first full week back in school, which for me would be September 10th. The Remote Learning Committee recommends never setting a due time to accommodate families' differing needs during remote learning. As we discussed in our video Making an Announcement in Google Classroom, we believe the topic should always be set to the due date, following the format, day of the week followed by a numerical date. So let's set our topic for Thursday, 9/10/20. We can leave rubric and originality reports at their default setting, but if you'd like to learn more about them, please check out our video Grading in Google Classroom for Experienced Users. We'll select Assign and fast forward to the due date. As students complete the assignment, you should get an email every time a student leaves a private comment. In this instance, every student should be leaving a private comment with their guardian's email. To view these all in one place, we'll go back into Google Classroom and into our class. We'll select Classwork and click on the Please Provide a Guardian Email assignment and View Assignment. Now, you'll see on the left-hand side all of the responses. We can see that this student has responded with a private comment. We'll click on the student's name to bring up their response. We'll select the email address they requested be added to Guardian Summaries and copy it. Then we'll go back into our classroom by selecting the class title in the upper left corner, and we'll click on the People tab. Next to that student, we'll select Invite Guardians and paste the email address in. Finally, we'll click on the email in the search results bar and select Invite. Repeat this process for all of your students. At this point, you've done everything you can, but in order for parents to actually receive summaries, they will need to accept the invitation that was emailed to them. So, we'll set up one final assignment encouraging students to get their parents to accept the invitation. And with that, Guardian Summaries are set up. Congratulations, you're well on your way to successful remote teaching. The next video in your journey to remote teaching should be making assignments in Google Classroom. Remember, remote learning is a collaboration between teachers, schools, students, and families. The Remote Learning Committee is honored you decided to invite us into your classroom's family. We hope to see you in another video real soon.